We're gonna be going over Bung Bo. There's the walkthrough of it, starting from the set position, fists are by the side. Then you're gonna step out at a 45-degree angle, and then inside block and drilling fist. Then we're gonna step back with that right foot and double man's hook, right fist to the waist, outside palm, palm strike, step forward, punch, then grab, punch, and elbow. Then back fist, we're gonna turn around, strike, grab. Then Diu Sao, side hammer, Ao Lao Choi, from here, scoop wheel, then palm strike, step forward, punch, then step back, and grab in a horse stance. From here, replacement step with that right foot, grab, waist chop in a forward stance, downward block, back fist, right fist goes to waist, down, up, Diu Sao, hammer fist strike. Then Diu Sao, elbow, step out with the left foot, palm strike, make sure that left fist is by the ear, then punch through that left palm. Then stomp with that right foot, sprouting kick, one side, sprouting kick on the other, then Taolan Bosam, left knee up, strike, 1, 2, then step forward, King Choi, down, up, grab, palm strike, grab, punch, scoop wheel, then grab, strike, look over the left, grab, strike, then grab, waist chop, King Choi, back fist, Diu Sao, punch, and Taolan Bosam. And so sick. All right, and that is Bung Bo, crushing step.